Hey Google, are you ready for a shoot today?
Sorry, I don't understand.
If you're watching this video from the comforts of your home with a fast Wi-Fi connection, then count yourself lucky. What if instead of just going on social media, watching movies, or working from home, you can actually maximize your Wi-Fi connection to save energy, secure your home, automate your everyday routines so that you can save more time for yourself, or simply be ready for the future. In this episode, I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 reasons why you should set up a smart home system. With more and more people transitioning to work from home these days, it only makes sense to make your home as efficient but as homey as possible. Smart home system has been around for a few years now, but if you're just getting started, then this video is for you. Believe it or not, it's actually budget friendly. If you're new to this channel, my name is Serica. I vlog about travel, health and wellness, and life hacks. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell as well so you get notified each time I post a new helpful vlog for you. As my favorite YouTuber, Graham Stefano, always says, make sure you guys
smash the like button for you.
It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Alright, with that out of the way, let's jump right in. Reason number 1. It helps you save on electricity. Now, our electricity bills are skyrocketing by the day. A smart home system can help address that by reducing our water and electricity usage. In the case of my current setup, I can actually leave my home without having to worry if I've actually missed turning off a device. And that really saves up electricity. Hey Google, I'm heading out.
Alright.
It's supposed to turn off this light. Medyo na-delay lang ng
Have you
konti.
taken your vitamins? Don't forget your mask and alcohol. Be safe.
So I've configured Google to turn off my home office, my living room, my bedroom, everything that is synced to my smart home system. More on the specifics and the step-by-step guide in another episode, but for now, watch this. So we're here in my makeshift home office where I have my power strip right next to me. I have 4 pieces of device that are connected to it. I have my MacBook Pro charger, my table lamp, my Huawei smartwatch charger, as well as my iPhone charger. So this entire thing is connected to my Google Home device that gives me the option of being able to control all this by group or individually. So let's say I just want to turn on my MacBook Pro and leave everything else untouched. All I have to do is ask Google to do exactly that. Hey Google, turn on MacBook.
Got it. Turning MacBook port on.
Hey Google, turn on Huawei.
Okay, turning Huawei port on.
There you go. And let's say I'm done working. Since I've renamed this entire piece into my home office, I can get Google to turn off everything all at once. Hey Google, turn off home office.
Got it. Turning home office off.
There you go. And now we're done. Now that alone is gonna save you a lot of cash. Reason number 2, it helps you save more time. You could be brushing your teeth in the bathroom when all of a sudden you realize you're running out of toilet paper. So instead of reaching for your phone, you can simply go, hey Google, add toilet paper to my grocery list.
Alright, I added absolute mirror.
Huh? What? Hey Google, add toilet paper to my grocery list.
Alright, I added toilet paper.
Speaking of toilet paper, were you one of those who hoarded toilet paper during the lockdown? Be honest. I didn't, but if you did, don't do it again. Moving on with our lives. Oh my goodness. Alright. Oh god, I broke it. Whew. Reason number 3. It can help fire up the mood in your space by the touch of a finger or via voice command again. Hey Google, lights please. Hey Google, lights off. There you go. Isn't that cool? I don't know about you, but I'm really dorking out about this. You can even customize the color of your light through the RGB lighting. Now, one of the most affordable and efficient ways to get started with your smart home system is via the smart bulb, which you can control easily by voice command or by an app called the Smart Light. And just to spice things up, you can adjust the intensity of your lighting from mild to strong. To strong, there you go. And you can also change your color temperature from cold to warm. To warm. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm in the mood for some colorful lights, which thankfully this smart app has. And all you have to do is head on over to the color app, pick a favorite color that you want for the moment. Whatever you feel like, really. I guess that's what you call mood lighting. But wait, there's more! You also have the option of changing the colors automatically on its own depending on the theme. So let's say I want a colorful theme. Do you see the light change? There you go. What is your favorite light mood so far? Comment down below. Reason number 4, the ease of access to any information. Hey Google, how much is a Google Home Mini in the Philippines?
On the website Rappler.com, they say, a Chromecast device, which essentially makes any USB-equipped TV smarter, costs around P2500, while the Google Home Mini officially retails for $49. More Filipinos are sharing their experiences with the smart devices on Facebook groups.
There you go. Hey Google, let's play a game.
Alright. Welcome to Are You Feeling Lucky? Which one do you want to try?
Song quiz.
Getting song quiz.
After the music stops, name the song title and artist.
Since You've Been Gone by Kelly Clarkson.
Sick. You got the title and artist for 10 points plus an extra 10 bonus points.
Love Song by Neo. Is that right?
That was whack. The song was So Sick by Neo. Dennis answered incorrectly. You're ahead of Dennis by 30 points. Question 4 for 20 points.
Big Girls Don't Cry by Katy Perry. Love Song by...
Round.
Oh yeah.
Question 7 for 40 points.
I thought that was the song. What a Girl Wants by Christina Aguilera.
You got 120 points. Dennis got 60 points. Huzzah.
You guys get the drift, right? I think like the whole game itself deserves an entirely different episode on its own. Maybe on the next episode, I can just invite somebody to come on board and play the game with me. Let me know what you guys think on the comment section down below. What game would you like to play with me next? Reason number 5, peace of mind. Having a smart home is a great way to put your mind at ease. So in the case of my current setup, I can be at ease that all my appliances are turned off when it's time to hit the sack. Hey Google, good night.
What time should I set the alarm for?
7:30.
Tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. Set.
Are you gonna turn off the lights?
Good night, Serica.
Well, there there you guys have it. Just a few reasons why you should get started on your smart home system and how it makes your life so much better. I'll be adding more smart home devices to my space in the coming months, so do let me know what kind of hacks you'd want for your own smart home system. This video is done in collaboration with SBRF Smart Home Gadget. They have great customer service. The store owner, Brian, is simply the best. And you can really tell just by his patience and the way he answers your queries is that he's just very passionate about helping people get started on their journey with smart home, because it does indeed make your life so much better, so much more efficient, especially for someone like me who lives alone and I do all things by myself. I'll put the link on the description box down below so that you too can get started on your own smart home journey. On the next episode in the series, I'll be walking you guys through a simple guide on how you too can set up a smart home system for yourself. I hope you guys find this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below how you too can benefit from having a smart home. Well, there you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Serica, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye. Bye. Bye for now. Bye. Goodbye. Ugh.